In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma styles and libraries. If you're a designer or working on collaborative projects, mastering these features can significantly enhance your workflow and maintain consistency in your designs. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're on the Figma platform. This is the collaborative interface design tool where all this magic happens. It is an incredibly versatile tool widely used for creating user interfaces and experiences. If you haven't already, head over to the Figma website to get going. Next, you'll need to log into your Figma account. Simply click on the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Ensure you enter your credentials correctly to access your files. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the home page. The home in Figma is essentially your dashboard. This is where you can see all your recent projects and shared files. It's a key starting point as it helps you quickly navigate through your ongoing work. Now that you're at the home base, we'll move towards the Design section. Locate and click on Design from either your recent files or through your team's shared space. This is where your creative process begins, allowing you to work on or start new designs. While you're in the design document, it's time to explore the Styles feature. Click on Styles from the interface. Now, styles in Figma are essentially reusable design elements, and they can be colors, text styles, effects, or grid types. By using styles, you can maintain consistency across all aspects of your design, which is crucial for a cohesive and professional look. Implementing styles appropriately can save you a lot of time because it simplifies changes. Any update to a style will automatically reflect wherever that style is applied. With your understanding of styles substantiated, let's proceed to open the File section if it isn't already. This is a pivotal area where you manage different settings related to your current project. It also allows access to file-specific options. Finally, the last step is to delve into libraries. Once you click on libraries, you enter a repository of shared assets. Libraries are game changers for teams as they offer a centralized way to control styles and components that can be easily updated and reused across multiple projects. This reduces redundancy and ensures everyone is working with the latest design elements. By following these steps, you should now have a good grasp of how to use Figma styles and libraries. These elements are vital for streamlining workflows and maintaining uniformity across projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has shed some light on how to navigate and utilize these powerful Figma features.